The biggest mistake that business owners today do, business owners like you, business owners like me do, is that we expect our team members, our employees to work or put in as much as I want to, or as much as I do. Well, I work 18 hours a day, I work 16 hours a day. Why? Because I want so many things out of my life. I want to maybe buy a private jet, I want to maybe buy a Rolls Royce, or I want to maybe buy a private island. I want to do so many things out of my life. And that is why I am putting in those many number of hours, I am putting in those many and the hard work that I am putting in, because I want to get so many things out of my life. But they might not be wanting that. I might be crazy, I might be mad, I might be insane to want so many things out of my life, and that is why I am putting in so many insane number of hours to work. But why would they be putting in that many hours? They are not mad, they are not crazy, they are not insane. They do not want to buy a private jet, they do not want to buy a private island, they do not want to go on a holiday with so many things that you want or I want. So then why would they be doing that, or why should we be expecting them to put in what we are putting in? No, it's your business, it's my business. We want different things, right? They are working for their salary, we are working for something much more. So if you are putting in 18 hours or 16 hours, it's for you. If they are putting in 8 hours or 9 hours, it's for them. It's what they get from putting in 8 or 9 hours. That's fine. Do not complain, do not have a problem with that. And keep working, keep them happy, you be happy with what you get, and keep going.